Hi again, everybody. I hope you're staying healthy. Can be stressful times, so do what you can. We'll make it through it. This is a little better video on MathXL. I think I called it 10.2. It's the one with irregular figures. Believe I called it 10.2. Okay, but anyway, I think this is problem number one. If you're struggling with this, you were asked to find the area of this shape. So you want to think about splitting this into shapes that you know how to find the area of. So we are going to cut, there are multiple ways to do this too, but I'm going to cut right here. And when I cut right here, I see a triangle shape that's in orange. I'm going to redraw the triangle over here so that I can put dimensions on it. And you can see that would be a 90 right there because I drew perpendicular. And then I also have a rectangle shape here. So let's put the rectangle here. And you need the area of both of these is going to equal your total area. So let's start with the orange triangle up at the top. The 180 is the total from here to here. You can see the orange triangle only goes from here to here. So we want to subtract out that piece at the top of the purple. And the top of the purple is 30. So this is 30 here. So if I do 180 minus 30, I'll get just the orange part from here to here. So segment addition and segment subtraction like we did in class. And 180 minus 30 is 150. So this side is 150. All right, now I also need, let's use a different color. I also need the height of the triangle, which is going to be that side, which is this side in your picture. So if you look at that side in your picture, that is parallel to this 120 number. So 120 is the entire piece. If you notice, the pink line only goes to there. So what part don't I want? I don't want the 50. From there to there is 50. So I'm going to do 120 minus 50 to get that pink line. So this part right here is going to be 120 minus 50. And 120 minus 50 is going to give us 70. All right, so this number right here is 70. All right, that's enough information for the triangle because I know area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 times base times height. So 1/2, the base and the height of the triangle is this 150 and 70. So you would do 150 times 70 and then divide by 2 or times by 1/2. Remember 1/2, if you don't have a fraction button on your calculator, you can do 0.5 and you get 5250 for that one. All right, now rectangle, we already actually have the parts for the rectangle. It was from here to here, and that is 30, and then from here to here is 120. So area equals 30 times 120, and then multiply that, and whatever you get for this number, you're going to add these two together, and that'll be your final total area. Okay? All right, hopefully you can finish that one off. All right, now the next one down here is asked for perimeter and area. I think this is number 2 of the MathXL, I'm thinking. So a couple different ways to do this one. I'm just going to model one way right now. I would cut it maybe right there. And when I cut it right there, I have, let's make an orange one again. I see an orange rectangle. So here's my orange rectangle. And then I also see a purple rectangle. And purple rectangle looks like that. Okay, we just need a, I'm starting with area. Sorry, should have told you. Starting with area right now. Hopefully I remember to do the perimeter. Okay, let's look at the orange one. The orange one at the top, I can clearly see a 4 right there. Now I need this up and down, which means I'm looking for up and down side lengths right now. The 9 is the entire side. I don't want the 2. The 2 goes from here to here. Definitely not drawn to scale, but that's all right. So the 2 is the piece that's from here to here is 2. So now we're going to do 9 minus 2 to get that orange piece right there. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So this number right here is 7. All right, now let's look at the purple one. To do the purple one, those numbers are already here. You don't want the 9 because 9's the whole side, and I only want from here to here. So that's why I want 2. 2, 2, it doesn't matter where you put that. And then 19 down here is that one. So to do the orange one, it's length times width, 7 times 4. To get the purple one, it's 19 times 2. Get those numbers, add them up. All right, now let's talk perimeter. So perimeter, you need the lengths of all the sides and then add them up. My picture's kind of cluttered here, but from here to here, I can see a 4. I need this length from here to here. Well, in the video before, I said 9 minus 2 was that number, and 9 minus 2 was 7. So if this is 7, then this side is 7. Now, let's look at this side at the top. From here to here, you're looking for sides that go sideways. So the numbers that go sideways is this 19, and the other number that goes sideways is the 4. So how are you going to get this piece right here? You're going to do the total 19 minus 4. And 19 minus 4 is 15. So that side's 15. And then make sure you add up all the sides. So you'd add 4 plus 7 plus 15 plus 2 plus 19 plus this whole side, which is 9. And that should work for perimeter. All right, I'm going to stop it and then I'll make another video.